The third obstacle is that these people are not cautious in acquiring knowledge. Only good intentions and effort is not enough, my brothers and sisters. We should acquire knowledge from authentic sources. We drink water. From where do we drink water? We have water purifiers, filters to clean the water, and then we have. Now there is water in the gutter. There is water in the sea. We don't drink that water. We drink purified water. Why? Our health will get spoiled. When we buy gold, we know there is 24 karat gold, there is 16 karat gold, and there is something which shines, but it is not gold. So we check up what is the authenticity, what is the purity, so that we get authentic, pure gold. Isn't it? My brothers and sisters, we should know that when we talk of knowledge, we should make sure we get authentic knowledge. We should get knowledge from the Quran, the Book of Allah, from the sayings of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the authentic hadiths which are proven from him.